These are my tools for making great PS2 tutorials. Let's do this. Hey guys, this is Versatile from Project Phoenix Media. So this is a real quick proof of concept video that shows you that Tekken 4 and Tekken 5 on a PS2 does work with OPL. It does not work with USB, but I know it does work with SMB, network share method. I'm using a travel router that has a USB connected to it for sharing, but you can also use your laptop or your computer. I'm sure that internal hard drive will work with the fat PS2. I've not tried that, but I know the OPL compatibility list online does work. So let me show you my USB setup, which I'm using to share over SMB. So real quick here, if I go to my USB thumb drive, go to my thumb drive here, because Tekken 5 is a large game, 4.2 gigabytes, I did use a program called USB Util 2.0 to basically convert the game. So here's the files for that. And then inside the DVD folder, I have the Tekken 4, which is less than 4 gigs actually, is an ISO. And I have everything renamed properly using OPL Manager. So if we run up OPL Manager, this is what it looks like. I had it auto detect my USB with the path. And then I went to batch actions, art download the art. And here we have the art for both Tekken 4 and Tekken 5, the only 2 games I have on my USB. So the next portion of this video, I want to showcase my PlayStation 2 with FMCB and OPL working. The game runs great. Movies work great. It's a great solution through the network method. Let's do this. All right, so here we are with the PS2, so let's do this. So real quick, here's my PS2 Slim with my Nano travel router, USB plugged in with my 2 games. Let's do this. So first, let's go ahead and go into OPL. And then from there, we can go to the Ethernet section. I have it set to auto mode, and there you'll see Tekken 4, Tekken 5 with all the cover art stuff. I don't have any game modes enabled, so if I press triangle, there's no modes enabled here. So let's go ahead and run Tekken 4 first. And when I tried both of these games on USB, they just flat out got to like a black screen and it just would not work. So SMB definitely works great, and I would imagine the internal hard drive for fat PS2 would work great as well. Alright, so Tekken 4 is working. Let's go ahead and pick a random character. Just show some quick gameplay.
Round 1. Fight.
So let's go ahead and restart the PS2, go back into OPL, and let's load Tekken 5. Alright, so here we are. Tekken 5 is working. Let's do arcade battle. Let's select a character real quick here and get ready to have a lot of good times. And if you guys are curious, I'm using component cables with my PS2.
Round 1. Fight.
So we can see that everything is working fine, and SMB method is great, or you can use internal hard drive as well. So that's today's proof of concept video with Tekken 4 and Tekken 5 on the PS2, OPL, FMCB. If you guys have any nitpicky questions, leave a comment here on the YouTube page. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.